What's going on, guys? Motonosity here. Make sure you stick around for your chance to win an F-150 Raptor. I've partnered with Omaze today. You can enter at omaze.com/motonosity. But more on that in a little bit. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am having an outstanding day, even though I no longer have 2-liter bikes. I just have one, the 2020 Yamaha R1. And I gotta say, I'm not too sad. Listen to those freaking downshifts. Gas prices, got to save as much as possible, so I'm stopping at Costco. All right, well, I'll get some gas. Let me tell you about the sponsor today.
I'm super excited today because I partnered with Omaze to offer you guys the chance to win a Ford F-150 Raptor. Omaze has helped drive awareness to over 350 charities, and this time they're supporting Folds of Honor, an organization founded 15 years ago that provides scholarships to the spouses and children of America's fallen and disabled service members. Already, Folds of Honor has awarded over 35,000 scholarships. This is your chance to support a good cause and possibly win a freaking Ford Raptor. Now, this one is fitted with the performance package with 37-inch tires, Recaro front seats, Bang & Olufsen sound system, Fox Racing shocks, and a massive state-of-the-art interior, so you got space for you and your crew on your next adventure. A few years ago, I actually got to drive one of these things off-road, and I'm telling you, they're a freaking beast. So for your chance to win this Ford F-150 Raptor with taxes and shipping included, go to omaze.com/motonosity and enter now. And like I said, every donation supports the work of Folds of Honor. So hurry up, that's omaze.com/motonosity. Go there, donate, and good luck. And thank you to Omaze for sponsoring today's video.
So if you guys missed the video that I did with Dustin racing this against the S1000 the day before I sold it, I definitely recommend going and watching it. But he mentioned that he rode both of them that day, and he mentioned that he would still take the R1 even though the S1000 felt faster. Man, you can't go wrong with this bike. This thing it's fun. And again, like the sound of this crossplane engine paired with this SC Project exhaust. By the way, if you want to get the SC Project exhaust, I'll link it down in the description. Woo! It sounds so good. It's just, you can feel it in your soul. It's so good. Man, the S1000 was my dream bike, and I enjoyed it the heck out of it for the 2.5, 3 years that I had it. Man, I like trying new things, and I'm not too sad about parting ways and looking on to the next adventure. I swear the shifts feel faster now that I have the Brent tuning flash on here. The ones on the S1000 were incredibly smooth, but the way that the shifts feel on this right now, like very clicky, I love that feel. I think they might be my favorite right now. Downshifts, S1000 all day long. Upshifts though, this feels mighty fine. I will say, when you get up to like 170, the S1000 just, it freaking pulls. Again, in that video where we raced them both against each other, between like 120, 160, they're kind of even, I think, maybe. That's how it felt when we raced them. But I think after that, the S1000, it doesn't matter if you're going uphill, downhill, wind, no wind. The S1000 just feels like it has so much power still left. So I planned out the next 4 months of videos for the channel, and woo, we got a lot of stuff to look forward to, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to go out and have a little fun today because the weather is outstanding. Beautiful skies. Weather is muy bueno. Make sure you check out my shop, Motonosity.com, down in the description. Enter yourself to win a Ford F-150 Raptor. Omaze.com/Motonosity. Link is in the description. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life live. And I'll see you guys in the next one.